Hi guys, so today I'll be showing us how to attach our long videos to our shorts on mobile. So before, you can easily just leave the link to your long video in the comment section of your shorts, but now you can no longer do that because no link is clickable again in the comment section of your shorts. But the good thing is that you can also attach your long videos to your shorts, and I'll be showing you how to do that in this video. So imagine someone like me. Now I have over 1,000 videos and somebody wants to get to one particular video because the person saw the shorts. Now you have to start searching through my videos. No, to make this easier, I actually attach my long videos to my shorts, so you can easily just click on it and it will take you straight to that video. And most of us don't really know how to do that yet, so I'll be showing you how to do that. Most of us know how to do that on desktop, but we don't know how to do that on mobile. So I'll be showing you how to do that on mobile to make your YouTube journey easier. So stay to the end of this video and do not forget to like, comment and subscribe if you've not. Thank you. So now to do this, you click on the YouTube app. When you click on the YouTube app, just click on your videos. When you click on your videos, it will bring out your videos. Yeah, we know that already now. So now you're going to click on whatever short or whatever video you want to attach another video to. Just click on those three dots and it will bring out this option. Now you click on edit. When you click on edit, it will take you here. So when it brings you here, you are going to click on related videos. As you can see, related videos is before location, so that is where you're clicking, related videos. Yeah, you can do this before and after uploading those. So I'm going to show you the two. So this one, I've already uploaded this one and I want to add to it, so I'll show you the other one later. So now when you click on related videos, it will open your videos. Now you can click on whatever video you want to attach to it. It can be a short, maybe another short or a continuation of that short, or it can be a video, maybe that same video, the long version, or another video entirely. Whatever video you want to use, just click on it. When you click on it, it will take you back to where we were before. That's here, and you're going to see it's already there, it's already attached. You can see related video. You can see the video I clicked on is already there. Now after adding your description and everything, you just click on save. Even if you don't add anything else, no problem, you just click on save. Once you click on save, it is going to save. Now anybody that should come across this short, the person is going to see that attached video down there. As you can see, it is there. So now you know how to attach your long videos to your shorts. So please feel free to always attach your long videos to your shorts if there's a long version of that short, because most times we find the shorts interesting, but once we click on your channel, because of the stress of going to look for the video in your 10,000s and 1,000s video, we just give up. So feel free to now attach your long videos to your shorts. Thank you. Have an amazing day. Bye.